Hello guys. Yes, this is my day 2 here in China, Guangzhou. Yes, so we're just taking this guy to the metro station there so that he can go to school.
Yeah.
So Chris, what are you gonna be studying, my guy?
I'm gonna study the software engineering.
Software engineering.
Yeah, software engineering. Yeah.
So how many years are you gonna be?
For 3 years.
2 years.
Yeah, 3 years.
It's a what? It's a diploma, degree. It's a what?
To get the master.
Oh, master. Oh, you already have a degree. Yeah, okay, you are mastering. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, so are you excited to be in China? Are you? Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited, even if it's very hot.
Yeah, it's
very
hot. Yeah.
Complicated, but yeah. The city is good. Guangzhou is good. Is nice. So you have to come here.
Yeah.
To see with your own eyes.
Yeah. So I'll just be showing you around how things are done here. So come, let's go. So on this day, we were now separating with Chris. Chris was here to study, so he was going to study in another city. So we were now taking him to the train station since he was going to use a metro a train to go to the university where he was going to be studying. So Jeff and we took him to the metro station. This was the very same station where I pretended to be lost so that I could see if I could get help from the locals, from the Chinese, and here it is. You know English? English? No. Yeah? You're good? Yeah. You're fine? Thanks. Hi. I'm alright. How are you? How's everything going? I'm on YouTube. You know YouTube?
No, speak English.
No speaking English?
I don't know English.
You know English. You know English. What's the name of this place? This place? You know?
No.
Yeah?
English, no.
No, English.
Yeah.
Try small. So here people they don't speak English. Ani muri ngozvoona kuti chirungu chakaoma. Izvokusekana semazimba uchiti chirungu chirungu ani maona ava ndori nemari ava vane mari ava moiziva. Vari kutoti no English. So guys, regai try. Imagine ndarasika handisi kuziva kwandiri kuenda and uri kutoti pamwe ndaona vakomana vakangwara vokudza kuti no English. What do you think? Handichazokudzai time. So guys, I've got this one. He's scared. This one is supposed to. This is my brother. Okay, by the way, this is my brother, Chris.
Yeah, Chris.
From Congo.
Yeah, from
Right.
Congo. I'm from Congo.
So Chris is supposed to be going somewhere. How many hours from now?
Yeah, I'm supposed to go to Nachang. It's another city. It's very, very far from here. But I don't know the road. And
Chris,
they let me here
so
alone.
Chris, you find your own way. You can ask, you can communicate with these guys. You can even ask those ones. Those ones. You can ask them. Yes, they're going same direction.
I will ask
with
them
you.
how. They don't speak Chinese.
You try Chinese.
They don't speak English. I don't speak Chinese. So
yeah, you speak here. So I'll see you, my friend.
I'm a big boy, so I'm going.
You find your way. You are from Africa, but okay. Africans will always find their way.
I will do my best.
So, my brother, I will see you here.
So sad.
Yeah.
You let me like that.
No,
It's not good, huh?
Oh, sorry, my brother. So Chris
Yeah,
is
yeah,
he'll be
yeah, yeah,
he's
yeah,
going
yeah.
to be studying here in
Alone.
China.
Well, so I hope that I'm gonna find
He's
a good
having a lot
girl.
of money. You see, even here,
No, I don't have money.
even here, this is money. So Chris, my guy, see you.
Okay, see you,
Safe
see you,
travels,
see
eh?
you.
Go well. Yeah. So now ndakwenda nemuchinda wangu anonzi Jeff. This is my contact here in China. So Jeff is going to be taking me around. Ndikandikuudze chokwadi guys ya. Kuno kana uchiuya ka inge una someone waunenge uchiziya because kwakati gozhei China chirungu havagone vazhinji vacho ko vakuita sei. So iva una someone kuti zvikufambire zvakanaka. So ndichazobatsira those who want to come to China. I'll find I will do a video to tell you the process kuti ndakazviita sei kuti ndinge ndiri ndinouyawo kunoku. Yeah, it's hakusi much complicated. It's easy, but you just have to know kuti zvikufamba sei. So much love and God bless. So after dropping Chris, my guy from Congo, where we went around with Jeff. Jeff was my guy. He was my contact in China. So he's the one who was taking me around. He was more of my tour guide. So, you know, Jeff's advantage is that he can speak Chinese. He knows places. He knows almost everywhere around Guangzhou. So he used to take me around. So on this day, he was taking me around just to, just to see the city. Guys, I don't want to lie. This city is big. This city is huge. Though it is the third largest city in China. It is the third largest city in China. But the city is amazing. It is amazing. So I saw a lot of people, a lot of Chinese people, and one thing I liked about the Chinese, they were minding their own business. They were just doing, they were just minding their own business. That's all I can say. And also, they were friendly. I don't want to lie. During my stay, I saw a lot of friendly Chinese during my stay in Guangzhou. So yeah, but hey, the Chinese are very many. Vakawanda vanhu ivava in Guangzhou. So I saw a lot of Chinese people, as you can see, and at the metro station, the train is one of their main mode of transport. Of course, they use the road, air, and also the train. They use the train so very much. So from there, we went to this other place where they sell some phones. So I went into the Apple shop where I saw the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the latest Apple products. If you want is to buy an original Apple phone or Apple gadget, you just need to go direct to this place here. It was so amazing. As you can see, a lot of customers, a lot of clients were trying to inquire about the new iPhone and new Apple products, the latest visions. There were many in this shop. Yes, so guys, ndoda kuti ndikudze chokwadi, I had a wonderful time in China, especially on this day. So yeah, some might want to go to China. I can help you, I can assist you to get with information, of course, for how to get into China. So all you need to do is to get in touch with me on my number so that I can connect you with reliable people in China, can connect you with people who can help you. And also, I don't want to lie, for business, especially when it comes to clothing business, and some phones and some some devices. Guangzhou is the best place where you can go and order your stuff. Ndangoti ndingozama kutaura nechirungu kuti mundinzweni, but muchishona ndiri kungoti guys, kune vari kuda kutravela, musatya kuenda kuchina. I can help you. Ndokwanisa kubatsirai kuti munge muri munoenda kupi, munge muri munoenda kuchina. Ini ndakariska, but imi musariske pakuenda, because by risking you can lose a lot of money, especially from the airport, because they can take advantage that you don't understand Chinese, and once you get in a taxi, they can take you around so that they can overcharge you. This is real. So today we didn't do much. We just, after dropping Chris, who was going to the university, we decided to come to this Apple shop. Yes, in this Apple shop, this is where they sell original first-hand Apple products. And this shop is very expensive. In fact, this location, this is where the rich Chinese come and buy their stuffs. Because this is a place where they normally sell original products. So we didn't do much. We just came here because my brother wanted to collect his phone, which he ordered. So tomorrow I'm doing another video showing you around. From Uncle Saint, the only Zim Uncle, I'm signing out. Much love and God bless.